Or some old lady flashing you. But it's not in reference to that. Alright, that's good. It's a hillbilly. What do you want? Wait, is it the fucking Huntress again? Suck my cock. Dude, she has that fucking poison bullshit again. That literally fucked me over so bad last game. Oh, for cocks. Alright, just go take her somewhere else. Take her somewhere else. Go die somewhere else at least. Fuck, dude. Yeah. Wait, what's she doing? You dumb bitch. Can we get like a jackass killer for a little bit? That'd be nice. It might be. What the fuck is this? Holy. I think I might be dead here, boys. Hmm? I should have just fucking DC'd a long time ago. Alright, I'm definitely dead now. Oh, Oh my god, this person's actually a... Oh my god, how am I still alive? Like, it's a fucking miracle, I swear. Alright, she's getting ready to just fucking M1 me now, I think. Yeah. Damn, she has fucking Franklin's. What a bitch. Someone pick up my toolbox. I literally just bought that toolbox. Hmm. Oh, nice. Wait, what? Who the fuck did... Wait, I thought there was 3 people on that. Wasn't there 3 people on that gen? How is that Oh, okay. Alright, can you guys pick my ass up? You just 3 gen us? Well, there's 2. Just come over here and do all the gens over here now. Dude, Dude, someone's gotta pick me up before I get second hook, please. Just do it. 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 You have borrowed, you idiot. Oh my god, you don't? I thought you did. Are you trying to kill me? Why are you picking me up there? Just kidding. Hey, there's a toolbox here. Who dropped? Yo, heal me. Heal me, baby, one more. Here, heal me. No, you heal me. I got hooked once. Wait. Why the fuck are we in the middle healing? Wait, stop. She's right there. We gotta go in the fucking back corner. Alright, this is good enough. Fuck it. Dude, stop moving. Yeah, I don't think that's how that song goes. No one's talking about shitting themselves. Alright, just... Oh my god, she didn't even fucking see you, dude. Dude, that's such dog shit. Like, she should have totally went for you there. And now I lost my fucking toolbox again. Oh, I'm getting chased. Go. Wait, I don't know who's getting chased, actually. Wait. You're getting chased. Alright, yeah. Hmm? This is a rank 1 Huntress? Shouldn't have nurses calling, I think. Yeah, I'm healing right next to her, so I don't think she'd. Yeah. Alright, you're gonna want to take her away from all the gens. You're running. I think you're running toward the gens. There's a gen right here. Come over here. Now get out of that totem. Do the gens. Scuff. Just get out of that totem. Get over here. No, over here. Turn around. 180. 180 behind the logs. I'm not healing you till you finish this gen. Made your dick dead hard. Alright, I think we can finish this before she comes here. And if she does come here, I will sacrifice you. Why, thank you. You like that fucking perfect skill check right there? I know, but you can see the progress. You can see that like shitty little jump. Wait, go save that guy. Here, let me save him because all you jack. Okay, all y'all guys have fucking no borrowed time for fuck's sake. Is it? It is when they don't come for you, I guess. I was thinking about running both. Oh my god! Wait, here's. Oh shit! I thought you were the fucking huntress. You're like limping with a bunny hat. I don't even know what the fuck that is. I'm an old man. I'm blind. Fuck. All right. Whoever got. I I don't think she. Yeah, she's not falling for you guys. All right. She just whacked a gen with her. Did she come for me? All right, I'm going right back to it. Oh my. Oh shit! I think she saw me. Oh dude, you're running right toward. All right. I'm on the gen again. Damn, right in her face. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. Fuck. Yeah. Alright, we need to do. There's like 2 gens over there. Is there another one we can do? Yo, heal me. Yo, heal me. Yo. Wait, what do you mean you're stuck? Wait, I'm stuck now. What the fuck? Wait, at least heal me. Wait, I think I can dead hard out. No, I can't. Dude, I can't. Wait, I'm healing you. Oh, that's dog shit. Wait, are we? Well, she'll be stuck, right? Nope. Alright. If I recover, I'll just get killed. I can't even recover. Dude. This is... Wait, how did this happen? We were about to win this shit. No, Claudette? Oh my god, dude. Go pick him up. Off the hook. Be careful. Alright, just... No, I can't. I'm fucking trapped. We literally just got cucked by this fucking rock. What a shit game, dude. This is like not even the first time this has happened to me. What do you mean in the same? Wait, she's trapped! She's fucking trapped! Just win! Just win! What the fuck? Oh, she dropped me. Wait, I'm crawling out. Oh, bye, bitch. Now she's the only one in. Dude, pick me up. Wait, oh, the hatchet. Wait, let me crawl away. Let me crawl away. She's fucking trapped. What the fuck? Alright, let's all get out of here. I have unbreakable. I have unbreakable. It doesn't matter. Just pick me up. Yeah. Dude, she's gonna leave probably. Alright, let's just get out of here. Alright, fine. She's gonna try to kill us. Oh shit, she's got out! She fucking got out! What are you doing? Oh my god! What are we doing? Oh fuck, dude. Yo, yo, no, no, we're all gonna fucking die. Yo, heal me, dude. Heal me. Are you kidding me? We had like an easy win and then we just fucked. But you were still healing me. And I was. Someone fucking 99 a door. Oh, we get. I don't even know where it is. Yeah. I'm right next to it. I'll get him. Is she camping it? Oh, she's right there. Fuck. Oh, she saw me. Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh. Yeah, she's... Oh, I'm gonna die. Yeah. Oh, shit, dude. No, don't leave, don't leave, don't leave. Just open the... Don't open the door yet. We're good, we're good. And by good, I mean really not good. You 99 the door? Alright, I think we're good, we're good, we're good. He's going back to the hook. Hey, wait, come heal me, I'll do it. I'm behind the... Come back to the door. Come back to the door, I'll do it. I'll heal... I'll pick him up. I got borrowed. Alright, I'm good. Alright, let's do it. Fuck, you're kind of far. Fuck, she saw me. Oh my god, I fucking froze! Hello? Dude, it's... Oh my... What is... Dude, I'm fucking lagging! Oh, I can't even move. Hello? What? Alright, I'm out of here, dude. This is fucked up. This game is such shit. Oh my... Dude. I literally just, like, fucking froze. It fucking lag switched or something. Holy fuck. Alright, that was actually the laggiest game I've played on this game. Or like most glitchy and most laggy. Alright, peace. Is that just flash? Dude, we could have won that with everybody. Yeah, we should have opened the door first before doing that. I think if that didn't even happen, we would all got out. Like the way the gens were going. Like no one even got hooked that many times. Yeah. Oh shit.